Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. These are students SNEHA. She got placed in a company. Now she will share experience about PySpiders.
I'm Sneha. I'm from ISE background, and I joined PySpider in the month of June 2024. And my Python trainer was Kesha sir, and my Django trainer was Alexa, and my skill trainer was Murali sir. And I got placed company is Inspiron Labs.
Okay. How was bootcamp mock interview? How it was helpful to clear the interview?
In PySpider, for every subject they conduct mock and then grooming session also, which was very much helpful during my interviews and even it helped me a lot during my technical interviews and the technical rounds. So it helped me a lot at the time.
Okay. I wish her all the best for